remove the three screws for the fans, and what you do, gently lift up the clip and remove the fan. Okay, so here we are. Keep that out. This is the speaker cable. So gently lift it up. Be very careful with these ones because sometimes the cable snap and then you might need to replace the entire speaker. There's only one screw for the DC jack. Okay. So we have to remove the speaker first, and I'll tell you why in a sec. It's glued in, so put a bit of pressure and here we go. This is why. This cable is a bit of a pain. So the only way to remove it, or it's actually easy way to remove it, is to remove the speaker first. Especially comes in handy when you put them back together. So that's out. Your DC jack, your audio jack, your USB port. A lot of time what happens is that you've got a problem with the battery not charging. So it's not so much the battery itself that's faulty, it's this thing over here. Replacing that will replace the entire battery issues. The other reasons you want to change this is if you've got a audio middle thing stuck inside, and of course last reasons would be the USB port. Alright guys, to put it back together the same way as reverse, the same way as what we did to disassemble but in reverse.